So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in figure this ADB is a semicircle. So this is A, this is D point and this is B point, and you see this is a semicircle and AC is 8 centimeter and BC is 2 centimeter. So this AC line you can see this is 8 centimeter and this BC is 2 centimeter, and this CD is perpendicular to AB. So this CD line is perpendicular to AB line and this is 90-degree angle. And PCQ is an arc. So this is one arc. You can see that this is PCQ, one arc whose radius is this CD. Means D is the center point of this arc and this is the radius of that arc. This. So radius is CD and we have to find the length of PQ. So we have to find the length of this thing, this red line. So this is the problem. So let's see how we can solve this. So you see this figure. In this figure, you can see that in the problem it is given that this AC is 8 centimeter. So AC is 8 centimeter and this BC is 2 centimeter. So this is 2 centimeter given in the problem. So you see that if I add both of these, then it will become the AB length, which is 10 centimeter, and this O is the center of this semicircle, and you see it is the two times the radius of this semicircle, which is the diameter of the semicircle. So it is equal to 10. So we can easily find this radius of the semicircle, which is 5 centimeter. So this OA length is also radius, this OQ length is also radius, this OD is also radius, and this OB length is also radius, because both A point, Q point, D point and B point all are on this semicircle, and all length OA, OB, OQ and OD all are equal to the radius, which is 5 centimeter. So in this way we find out the radius of the semicircle. Now you see in this semicircle there are two chords, one like this AB and one is this CD, which lower part is also same because this is only the semicircle. If you replicate this, the lower part will also be exactly the same because this is diameter. So this CD and there below is one CD length also. So we can apply the chord theorem in this way, like this CD multiplied by CD, which is CD square, is equal to this AC length multiplied by the BC length. AC length we know 8, BC we know 2, its product is 16, and from here we can find out the CD, which is 4 centimeter. And we find out this length, and which is also, you can see that this is the radius of this circle, because this D point is the center point and this C point lying on this circle. So this C point is lying here and D point is here, and this is equal to the radius of this circle. Now we know the radius of the circle, and you also see this D is the center of the circle and this Q point is also lying on this circle. So this distance will also be equal to the radius. This we know, as we calculated previously, it is the radius of this semicircle, which is 5, and this is also the radius of this semicircle, which is 5. So now you see there is a triangle whose sides length are 5, 5 and 4, and exactly you can see its replica here also. So this DP length is exactly the same as this OD length, and this OP length is exactly the same as this OQ length, because this is also equal to 5, which is the radius of this semicircle, and this is also equal to the 4 because it is the radius of this circle. So these both figures are exactly the same, and you see if I join this O point and this D point, this whole thing QOPD, this QOPD, this whole thing exactly divides in two equal parts. So the figure is symmetric about this line QD. So you see this angle is 90 degree and this length QR is same as this PR. So we can conclude this because figure is symmetric about this line OD. So this is 90 degree angle and this length is exactly same as this length. So QR is equal to RP and OD is perpendicular to this QP. So now you see the triangle OQD, QOD. So this is Q, this is O, this is D. Now you see the triangle. We know the Heron's formula. Let's del be the area of the triangle. So del square is equal to S times S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. one length is 5, one length is 5 and one length is 4. So one side is 5, 5, 4. So we can find out the semi perimeter as a plus b plus c by 2, which is 5 plus 5 plus 4 divided by 2, which is 7 centimeter. So this is the semi perimeter value. A value we know 5, 4, 5, 5, 4. So you can put this value. So it is 7 times 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5, 7, 7 minus 4, it is equal to del square. So it is 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So after calculation, it will come as 74, which is the del square value. And after simplification, it will come as 2 root 21 centimeter square. So this is the area of this triangle. So now we know area of this triangle. We can calculate this area by another way. You know this angle is 90 degree. So you can apply this formula like half times this base times this perpendicular height, which is OD multiplied by QR, which is same as the area of the triangle, which we calculated as 2 root 21. So OD length we know it is 5 centimeter, which is the radius of this semicircle. So from here you can find out the value of QR, which is 4 root 21 by 5 centimeter. Now you know this value of QR, and you know this QR has the same length as this RP. So you can find out this this QP length, just multiply by 2 this QR. So it will come as 8 by 5 root 21 centimeters. So this is the length of PQ, which is this red line which we have to find out in the problem, and in this way we can solve this.